How to write SEO-friendly blog posts in Shopify intro. Hey everyone, welcome to Tutorial Lore. In today's video, I'll show you how to write SEO-friendly blog posts in Shopify to drive more organic traffic to your store. Let's get started. Step 1. Create a blog post in Shopify. Log into your Shopify admin. Go to Online Store greater than blog posts and click Create Blog Post to start writing. Step 2. Choose an SEO-friendly title. Your title should be clear, engaging, and include a primary keyword. Keep it under 60 characters for better visibility in search results. Step 3. Optimize content for SEO. Use headings, H2, H3 to structure your content. Add keywords naturally in the introduction, headings, and throughout the post. Use bullet points and images for better readability. Step 4. Add internal and external links. Link to relevant products, collections, or other blog posts for better navigation. Include external links to authoritative sources for credibility. Step 5. Optimize meta description and images. Write a compelling meta description under 160 characters with your keyword. Add alt text to images to improve search visibility. Outro. And that's it. Now you know how to write SEO-friendly blog posts in Shopify. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tutorial Lore for more Shopify tips. See you in the next one.